So my son drove his Slash off a bridge. And now he's got a bent shock. So let's fix it. It's one screw at the top, 2.5 millimeter, one at the bottom, 2 millimeter. I won't bore you with taking them off. Be careful not to lose this little washer from the top one. These are pretty simple to take apart. And we can see the bent shaft. I'll be replacing it with the stock one, nothing fancy. Just going to remove this cap from the top. Uh-oh. I did not expect this to be missing the diaphragm. But I have more. So I'll just dump these into a cup. Oh, that's nice. Use my shock pliers to take the rod end off. Try and push this through. We're not racers or anything, so I'm not worried about rebuilding them all at the same time. Just going to clean these up. They're just bashing them, so. Now to pry these little clips out. Alright, you can take this bottom cap off. Make sure those seals are still in there and okay. Take our new open up our new shaft. Much straighter than the old one. Just going to put this one back together. So we're going to put a little bit of oil on it. So we slide it through the seal. I'm using 40 weight oil. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's just what people recommended to me. Just going to fill that up. Push it in and out a couple of times, get the air out. I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes, help the air come out. Top this off with a few more drips of oil. Put on my diaphragm. And my shock cap. Wipe everything off. All right, rebounding on its own. So I'll put it back together just like the other side. All done. Put it back on the car. So we have the shock back on the car. It's working like normal. I am still new to this hobby. I've only had these cars for a few months. We don't really know much about setups or anything. Just what people at the track tell us and help us out with.